This is just an explainer video on how to get your USDT Binance navigation. So this is just a small navigation on Binance platform to see how it is. So I'm currently on my browser. On my browser. So let's say you want to get your Binance UID. That's your Binance user ID. Binance user ID is this user ID that's here. This number that starts with 934407. So that's my Binance ID. You see my email and my login details. So this is the navigation on my portal. On this account, yes, currently say increase your account security and all that. So these are some of the navigation, but there are different ways to get your navigation. So it currently says this account is verified. It's a verified account. So if you want to get your USDT or any wallet address on your Binance account, all you need to do, you can click on these wallets. Once you click on your icon, this icon, if you're using the browser version or you're using the mobile app, so you can click on or look for your wallet. Then you can go over to, let's say, overview. Let's go over to overview. Let's see how far it goes. So I'm going to pause these videos for this thing to load up, then we'll kick off from there. So hey guys, you can see the website narration or the address of this page that I'm currently in. It says binance.com/an/my/wallet/account. So it's currently loading, and once it's finished loading, you see the overview of this particular account. But that's not the main reason for this tutorial. So let's say you want to deposit, or you want to withdraw, you want to transfer. You can deposit, you can withdraw. But basically I'm looking at this depositing for now. So I just clicked on deposit. So I just click on deposit. I click on deposit now. Let's see where it takes us to. So when you click on deposit, the tokens are supposed to pop up on this browser. But this tutorial is basically if you're using the desktop version on your computer, but it's still the same thing. Once you go to your overview on your mobile app, you still get access to this whole page. So I just clicked on overview, deposit. Let me pause this video. I'm currently having network issues. So guys, the thing is that I'm currently having some network issues trying to come up with all the figures, the values I want to get. But apparently this is the overview. So once you come here, you're supposed to click on this deposit if you want to deposit crypto. Okay, it says okay, thing is going through now. It says select I already have crypto, I want to transfer them to Binance. So you can click on this if you already have crypto that you want to deposit on Binance. So you click on it. That's the first option. But if it's a fiat deposit such as euro from my bank account to down, is still work. That's like for people that are using this ADV cash and other platforms. That's what you can use the fiat and deposit option. So it's loading now. Don't know if I should pause it or it's going to load before let's pause this. Yes, so you can choose the coin that you want to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit USDT, BNB, or Bitcoin. All you need to do is just click on it. So I'm going to click on it now and show you the next steps, so you understand it fully. Crypto, select network, ensure the network is choosing matches what you want. So this is something you need to note. For these cryptos, each of them has the one that they support, the network that they are supporting. So you need to select the one that will support it. So most times, I think I've used the BEP2, I've used the BEP20. I think that, but you need to ensure you choose the deposit matches the withdrawal network. So once you click the deposit that matches it, you're going to get your memo code, your wallet address, and I think that's the basic things. That's the basic thing. But I'm going to show you the wallet address. So guys, you can see now that it says here that it's currently loading. It has loaded itself. It says both your Binance and your memo address are required. So you just press OK. I'm going to press OK. So see, once you press OK, this is what you get. So all you need to do, you just copy it. You click on copy. You copy this code and paste them in the place that you are receiving it, that you are sending them to, that you are withdrawing it from. So that's how it works, guys. So the minimum deposit is the minimum requirements. So this is it. So guys, I hope this tutorial video was helpful for you in getting your memo code and your what have you. So this one is currently for BEP2. So you can use this method in getting any one at all. This BEP2, this one works for once you get the alert, Binance will notify you by email. Once your email, will notify you by email. So guys, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. I will drop links to other beneficial stuff. We've done if you want to sign up for Binance, there's a link in the description box below, and you can also reach us at our email address will be at the bottom for you for business deals and what have you. So guys, one love, peace out. You can drop your questions below. Shubakis. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. If you don't find it helpful, click on the dislike button twice and let us know in the comment section how to improve or what we should do. One love.